Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming fundamental prerequisites. Signed into iCloud with the same Apple ID on both devices and two-factor authentication active. Next, add your payment card to Wallet. Do this on your iPhone or on a Mac equipped with Touch ID and follow bank verification steps. Once done, open Safari and make sure Apple Pay is enabled in browser preferences. This allows the payment sheet to appear. Now you're ready to make the first Safari purchase using Apple Pay and proceed to the checkout flow. When you reach a checkout that supports Apple Pay, select the Apple Pay option and choose the card and shipping address from the payment sheet. If your Mac has Touch ID, authenticate by placing your finger on the sensor. If not, your nearby iPhone or Apple Watch will prompt you to confirm. Follow the device prompt and approve the payment. Make sure the merchant details and total match before confirming. Once authorized, the transaction completes instantly, and a receipt appears. Save or screenshot it if you need immediate records. After payment, verify the charge in Wallet and your bank statement. Wallet also stores receipts for many merchants. To manage cards or change billing, open Wallet or Mac system settings and update entries. Removing a lost device's cards is done through iCloud. Com or Find My. For refunds, contact the merchant with the wallet receipt. If something goes wrong, try signing out of iCloud, reboot both devices, and sign back in. This simple reset resolves most Apple Pay syncing and authorization problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.